Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Forest Creek 26. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. Located in Mammoth Lakes, 5.1 miles from Mammoth Mountain, Forest Creek 26 features rooms with mountain views and free Wi-Fi. All rooms have a kitchen, a TV with cable channels, and a private bathroom. The property is 1.8 miles from Old Mammoth and 2.7 miles from Mill City. The rooms will provide guests with a dishwasher. Yosemite Tioga Pass is 29 miles from the hotel, while Mammoth Lakes is 1.7 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Mammoth Yosemite Airport, 8.7 miles from Forest Creek 26. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.